Hi, my name is Kadian Powell, Sales Associate from the H&L Agro-Mandeville branch. Today I will be doing an unboxing and setting up of our Solo442 battery backpack sprayer. Let's talk about the specification of this sprayer and why it is a perfect solution for every farmer. The new battery power backpack sprayer Solo442 is suited for professional and plant protection and pest control. It combines operating comfort with modern battery technology, which means it is quiet, free of emission, and it has features such as adjustable pressure, which allows for precise output and directional control of liquids. Let's start unboxing. Okay, so here we have the strap, which is very comfortable. We have the manual for direction, and we have the charger, and here we have the battery. All right, the nozzle. We also have the chemical tube. All right, and here we have the equipment itself. We also have the electrical cord for the charger itself. Okay, here we also have nozzle again, and we have 2 pins for the strap. All right, so let's start the setting up process, which is very easy. All right, so firstly, turn this around a bit, and here you have your strap. You first put your strap in between this slot here. Okay, there you go. Here you have the pin for the strap holder. All right, you'll actually put it from this area here, sorry. Lock it, slot here, and then you have next pin. Yeah, put it in the strap, and there you go for the strap. Here we have your chemical tube, and this is what you call your shut-off valve. Some people might know it as your trigger for the release of chemicals. All right, here you have your chemical tube, which you will attach to the shut-off valve. All right, so this equipment comes with 3 different types of nozzle. First, you have the flat nozzle, which gives you this wide spray. A lot of farmers out there love this type of nozzle because it covers a wide range, especially when you're spraying herbicide. All right, here you have adjustable nozzle, and this gives you the flexibility to adjust the liquid to how you prefer. All right, so this is your shield. All right, and the shield comes with a nozzle inside. All right, and it gives you this perfect round spray if you're doing weed control within your crops. All right, yeah. So here you have your charger, very easy to use. Here you have your battery, very easy to attach to each other. You know, it also comes with the direction as well. You simply slide it into the slot, and it also comes with a charging electrical cord, which you attach to the back of the charger, and then you will connect it to the source. So providing that the battery is charged, you're now going to attach it to your spraying equipment, and it's also very easy and simple to attach. Anyone can do it. All right, it comes with the direction, so you just simply attach it to the side. Take your time. And there you go. These are the buttons you would use to adjust your PSI level. And this equipment is capable of going up to 58 PSI, depending on the amount of pressure the customer or the farmer required. What I will do is turn on the machine. And as you can see, it's very, very quiet. All right. What you can do, if you notice, the PSI level is at 14 at the moment, but you can increase it up to 29, 43, and 58. Okay, so one of the key benefits for the customer is that it's very, very quiet. So if you're in the field and somebody is trying to say something to you, you will be hearing them quite comfortable as well. There are a lot of benefits to switch to or starting out with this new kid on the block. But let's talk about some do's and don'ts that you must know before operating the sprayer. Firstly, you must always wear the proper PPE when operating the sprayer. Secondly, you must ensure that you have a dedicated sprayer for fertilizers versus pesticides. Ready for some of the functional benefits? Electronic pressure regulation, a digital microcontrol unit ensure consistent pressure independently of the chosen nozzle type. This allows reliable, economical, and very precise output of the spray liquid. Operating pressure is adjustable between 1 and 4 bar. High battery capacity for operation up to 5 hours. The battery is quickly ready for use. Charging time only 1 hour. The base and container back section are ergonomically shaped. This allows fatigue-free carrying comfort also during extended operation. The tank features an integrated handle and a large filler opening for quick and safe filling and easy cleaning, robust structure, stable base for secure footing, also on uneven or sloping ground. Large tank with UV protection, high value, comfortable carrying system with chest strap, the control electronics and pump unit, as well as the replaceable battery are protected and safely integrated in the base. Unbreakable spray lance and hand valve. Thank you for joining us today for the unboxing of our all-new Solo442 battery backpack sprayer. Perfect for applying nutritional or pest management chemicals to your fields. I am Cadian Powell. See you next time.